Welcome to our video tutorial on the administrator process for accessing and reviewing SLO Goal Forms within the Right Path Student Success System, a part of our series of videos which describe the solutions we offer for APPR, including SLOs. The SLO Goal Form incorporates all of the state-required components for SLO into one comprehensive, user-friendly form, which is customizable to meet the specific needs of your district. The Right Path system also provides reporting tools and other options to assist administrators in guiding the SLO process. From the Right Path homepage, an administrator can access the various tools that are available for APPR by simply clicking on APPR at the top of the screen. Within the APPR tools that are available, you'll notice the SLO Goal Forms at the top left-hand corner of the screen. The SLO Goal Form can also be accessed by clicking on SLOs and then Goal Form Search under the APPR drop-down menu at the top of the screen. Before we go into the SLO Goal Form, let's take a look at a feature that will allow your district to efficiently organize and manage the SLO Goal Forms within the system. You'll notice under the APPR drop-down menu, under SLOs, an option for SLO Review Ease. By clicking on SLO Review Ease, the administrator has the option to select the teachers whose SLO Goal Forms he or she will be responsible for reviewing. This feature is helpful to organize the process if multiple administrators will be responsible for reviewing SLO Goal Forms. As an administrator, you will select the names of the teachers whose SLO Goal Forms you will be responsible for reviewing by clicking in the box next to the name of the teacher, under the heading Teachers Requiring an SLO. Keep in mind that there may be several pages to complete the list of teachers. To switch between the pages, you can simply click on the numbers towards the bottom of the list. Or, if you prefer, the Page Size drop-down menu will allow you to change the settings to increase the number of teachers that will be shown on one page. After you have selected all of the teachers whose SLO Goal Forms you will be responsible for reviewing, you can click on Add Selected Teachers. You will now notice a list of all the teachers you selected under the heading Your Review List. If needed, you can remove a teacher's name from the list by clicking in the box next to the teacher's name and then clicking on Remove Selected Teachers. Your review list will be used to generate reporting tools that will assist you in tracking the SLOs that you will be responsible for. Now that you have set up your list of teachers, let's take a look at the SLO Dashboard. This feature provides administrators with a convenient overview of the progress that has been made towards completion of the SLO process by all teachers participating in the SLO process. The SLO Dashboard can be accessed by clicking on SLO Dashboard under SLO from the APPR drop-down menu. The bars on this graph will allow the administrator to monitor information, such as the number of teachers who have not yet submitted their SLO Goal Form, or the number of teachers who have not yet started their SLO Goal Form. By clicking on any of the bars, the system will generate a detailed list of the data included in the selected bar. We can return to the APPR tools by clicking on APPR at the top of the screen to access the SLO Goal Form search page. We are now viewing the SLO Goal Form search page. This page will be used to search for and view SLO Goal Forms. Before we take a look at how to search for SLOs, let's take a look at some of the options that are available towards the top of the screen. As an administrator, you will have the option to create SLO Goal Form templates. SLO templates can be created for specific grade levels, content areas, or even specific teachers, depending on the needs of your district. An SLO template will generally have set district-established criteria that will pre-populate when a teacher selects to use the administrator-created template. To create an SLO template, you can simply click on Add SLO. After naming the template, you can click on Add. A new SLO goal form will be created. You can now add any district-established criteria to the form that you would like to remain consistent among the specific teachers who utilize the specific template. For example, you can enter the heady criteria, so when teachers use this specific template, the heady criteria will pre-populate for teachers to use. For more information about completing the SLO requirements within the SLO Goal Form, you can view our video tutorial on the SLO Goal Form teacher process. After clicking on Save SLO, the information you have added to the Goal Form template will be saved for teachers to use. At the top of the SLO Goal Form, you will notice an icon that says View Report. This icon will allow you to create a PDF file of the selected SLO, which can be printed or saved. Save SLO allows you to save any progress or changes that you've made within the SLO Goal Form template. Copy to a new SLO will copy information you have added to a new SLO Goal Form. This option is helpful if you would like to create a new template for a different group of teachers, and although most of the criteria within the SLO will stay the same, you may want to make some minor changes to the new SLO Goal Form. Let's return to the SLO Goal Form search page to view some of the other options that are available. The Reviewer Report icon towards the top of the screen will allow the user to generate a PDF to provide the administrator with a detailed list regarding the SLO status of the teachers which you are responsible for reviewing. This report can be saved or printed if you choose to do so. The Required Teacher Report will provide a comprehensive summary of the status of all SLOs for the teachers participating in the SLO process. This list can be organized by reviewer if you choose to do so. The Bulk SLO Report allows the administrator to access all of the SLO goal forms at one time. You can choose to only access approved or unapproved SLOs. This feature makes it convenient for administrators to print all teacher SLO goal forms at one time. From the SLO Goal Form search page, you can use the search bar towards the top of the screen to search for a specific SLO goal form. Or you can browse through the SLOs that are listed under the search results. The boxes located under the search bar will allow you to decide if you would like to include template SLOs in your search and if you would like to include approved SLOs in your search. If you do decide to include either of these two options, you can do so by clicking in the box and then clicking on Search. Under the search results for the SLOs, you will notice that you will be provided with the name of the SLO, the owner of the SLO, as well as the current status for the SLO. Under the Status column for the SLO search results, you may notice that an SLO has been submitted. This means that the teacher has completed the SLO goal form and it has been submitted for review. You may also notice more information requested by admin. This means that you have requested additional information or changes to be made to the SLO Goal Forum. Some of the SLO Goal Forms may indicate that the SLO has been started but has not yet been completed by the teacher or submitted for administrator review. When an SLO has been approved by the administrator, the status will update to note that the SLO has been approved. A submitted goal form can be reviewed by simply clicking on the SLO goal form you'd like to review. Here you will be able to go through the content within the SLO goal form. After you have reviewed the content, you can submit your review of the SLO goal form by clicking on Submit Review, either on the bottom of the screen or at the top of the screen. After clicking on Submit Review, the SLO Review box will pop up. This will allow you to make comments to the teacher regarding their SLO. In the comment box, you can indicate that the SLO is complete and will be approved, or you can suggest changes that need to be made to the SLO and then click on More Information Needed. If you choose to include comments approving the SLO, you can then click on Approve and the SLO status will update to show approved. If you decide that more information is needed, you can simply click on More Information Needed. The comments made will then be shown at the top of the SLO Goal Form along with the current status for the SLO Goal Form. This updated information will be shown when an administrator goes into the SLO Goal Form, as well as when a teacher goes in to view their SLO Goal Form. When additional information is needed for an SLO Goal Form, the status will be updated to show that more information has been requested. As you are reviewing SLO Goal Forms, keep in mind that the reporting tools are available to assist you in organizing and managing the SLO Goal Form process. If you have questions or would like more information about the SLO Goal Form or the administrator process for reviewing SLO Goal Forms, please feel free to contact Right Reason Technologies. Thank you.